Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can find the reward item once you have completed your Dress to Impress winter event, like the quest. So go to the changing rooms, press E, select the trophy, and you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to find this super pretty dress that you get from winning the update. I'm just going to put on some makeup first just to show you guys. I think you've seen it already. But here it is, the dress from the update and the event essentially. But yeah, that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!